Hey, everyone! If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping, today I've got something that will change your cleaning game forever. I'm breaking down the 5 best robotic vacuums and mop combos that make your home spotless with minimal effort. Let's dive in. Number 1, eufy Omni C20. First up is the eufy Omni C20. This all-in-one station doesn't just vacuum, it auto-empties, washes, and dries the mop pads. With 7,000 PA suction, it tackles pet hair and crumbs, and its ultra-slim 3.35-inch body reaches under beds and sofas easily. Pros: powerful suction, hands-free station, smart assistant compatibility, ultra-slim, and great mopping. Cons: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, performance varies by floor, station needs space. If you want a hands-free, smart cleaning upgrade, the Omni C20 is perfect for busy homes. Number 2, eufy X10 Pro Omni. Next, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. It's a real game changer, with 8,000 PA suction and AI obstacle avoidance that navigates toys, wires, and furniture. The all-in-one station handles washing, drying, and emptying, making maintenance a breeze. Pros: powerful suction, excellent for pet hair, smart mapping, hands-free. Cons: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, slightly heavy. This model is perfect if you want effortless, reliable cleaning every day. Number 3, Yeedi M12 PRO Plus. The Yeedi M12 Pro and packs 11,000 PA suction, tackling carpets and hard floors with ease. True Edge adaptive mopping reaches corners while Zero Tangle Tech prevents hair wrap. Plus, the mini Omni station offers auto-emptying, self-cleaning, and water refill. Pros: incredible suction, precise edge cleaning, anti-tangle brush, hands-free station. Cons: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, heavy at 32 pounds, needs initial mapping. Perfect for pet owners and anyone who wants a thorough, hassle-free clean. Number 4, NARWAL Freo Z10. The NARWAL Freo Z10 is a powerhouse with 15,000 PA hyper-suction. Its dual-flow tangle-free system prevents hair clogs, and the AI self-cleaning base washes, dries, and stores dust for up to 120 days. Smart sensors avoid obstacles with millimeter precision. Pros: powerful suction, self-cleaning base, tangle-free brushes, long battery, smart navigation. Cons: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, premium price. Busy homes and pet owners will love this model, it practically cleans itself. Number 5, NARWAL Freo Pro. Finally, the NARWAL Freo Pro. With 8,500 PA suction and dual scrubbing mops, it handles carpets, rugs, and hard floors effortlessly. The all-in-one station handles washing, drying, and dust disposal for up to 7 weeks, hands-off cleaning at its finest. Pros: perfect for pets and long hair, hands-free, powerful suction, intelligent obstacle avoidance, whisper quiet. Cons: only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, premium price, slightly bulky. If you want spotless floors without lifting a finger, the Freo Pro is worth every penny. So there you have it, 5 of the best robotic vacuums and mop combos to make your life easier. Whether it's the ultra-slim Omni C20 or the powerhouse Freo Z10, these smart cleaners save time, energy, and headaches. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home cleaning tips and product reviews. Which one would you pick for your home? Comment below, I'd love to hear.